A rare sight over the years. Oh, what a strike! Clean, powerful, and it's 6. What a crowd pleaser. You can see from the replay how cleanly he struck that straight into the stands. It's a different generation, this one. Fearless. Good running. They come back safely for 2. That looks like a really good shot, and yes it is.
He's on a roll.
This is maximum impact. His timing and power make it look so easy, but that's a tough shot to execute. The batsman will look to score big in this final over. And starting off with spin. It's the left-hander on strike. The batter seems to be in a hurry here. Pressure on the batter. That's a dot ball. No runs. He's making the bowler think. What is he planning to do now, the batter? Pressure on the batter. Oh, would be disappointed with that. It's a good throw in the end. Back for 3. Nice running between the wickets. Oh, he's changed his angle coming over the wicket. Oh, would be disappointed with that. It's a good throw in the end. Good running there. They've managed to get 3 runs off that shot. The crowd is eager as the spinner steps in. Oh, that's clean. Way back into the stands. Oh, that's pure power. The replay shows how he absolutely middled it, sending it miles into the stands. That's enormous. Right up into the top tier. Oh, it's not just power. It's the placement too. He picked the perfect area and cleared it with ease. Made room, picked the spot, and it's all the way. This is maximum impact. His timing and power make it look so easy, but that's a tough shot to execute. He's making the bowler think. What is he planning to do now, the batter? Goes aerial, goes over the top and goes all the way for maximum. Oh, he's made that look effortless. The replay showed just how perfectly he connected with the ball. Have a look at the field. Perfect on drive. Timed beautifully through mid-wicket for 4 runs. What composure under pressure. He knew exactly where the gaps were and played it with precision. They needed a single and they've got it. And here's the victory for them. They've done it, and the celebration on the field are a testament to their relentless pursuit of excellence.